Hey everyone, in this video, we will talk about how to use Restaurant365 on accounting, inventory, and scheduling. So first, what is Restaurant365? Restaurant365 is an all-in-one restaurant management platform designed to unify operations, finance, and workforce management. Now first, on accounting. Set up your chart of accounts. Navigate to accounting, then go to accounts. Organize accounts by type like food costs, labor, sales, and expenses. Now assign account numbers and categories for reporting. On automate transactions, connect your POS system to automatically pull in daily sales. Set up bank feeds to import transactions and enable auto-reconciliation. On vendor and invoice management, upload vendor invoices via email or manual entry. Use AP automation to match items with purchase orders. Schedule and approve payments from the accounts payable section. Now to generate financial reports. Access P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow reports under reports then financial. Filter by location, date, or department. On inventory management, set up inventory items. Navigate to inventory, then go to items. Categorize items by food, beverage, and paper goods. Assign units of measure, and link to vendor pricing. And then perform inventory counts. Go to inventory and go to counts. Select the location and count by storage area. Walk-in bar or freezer. Use mobile devices or tablets to enter data on the floor. Track usage and cost of goods sold. After sales and inventory counts, R365 calculates usage and costs. View COGS report to identify high cost or waste areas. Now on purchase orders. Create an PO and send POs directly to vendors. Link deliveries to inventory automatically when received. On scheduling and labor management. On building staff schedule, go to scheduling, then go to scheduler. Use drag and drop interface to build weekly shifts by role and location. View forecasted sales alongside labor hours to manage labor cost percentage. Now on employee management, employees can view schedules, request time off, and swap shifts with manager approval, then set availability and role preferences. For the payroll and time tracking, integrates time clocks or use R365 built-in solution. Sync timesheets with payroll providers. Approve hours, tips, and adjustments before payroll export. On reporting and dashboards, use operations dashboard to monitor sales versus labor costs, prime cost percentage, and location performance. Export custom reports for daily flash, labor summaries, and variance analysis. Some of tips that I can give you is, first, close the books monthly to ensure clean financials. Second, train managers on mobile inventory and scheduling tools. Third, automate as much as possible. And lastly, review reports weekly to make data-driven decisions. And that's basically it.